No. You don't have to do that. You don't have to.
We have a warrant for your arrest. We have a warrant for your arrest.
Put your palms together.
Did you guys have to be this rough? What is it for?
What did you have to be that rough? Domestic battery second.
For what?
You know what for. Domestic battery second. That's what you're under arrest for.
What for?
Okay, well I just told you. No.
Amy, go. Amy, stop. Amy, stop. What are you talking about?
Put your palms together.
I am fat.
Okay, well you're gonna have to make it work.
I'm making it work. What?
Put your palms together like you're praying. Yeah.
Ma'am, listen to me. No, we didn't.
Put your hands behind your back.
Hey, but look.
Don't yell at me, please.
Okay, but calm down. Okay? We have a warrant for his arrest for a domestic battery second. It's a Class C felony, okay? And I'm pretty sure that you know what the incident is about.
No, I don't.
Brooklyn?
He didn't do nothing. She didn't. Call the attorney, Amy. Let's go.
So, that's what
Babe, I need your phone. Andrew, we need the phone. Oh my fucking God! What happened anyway? We don't know.
Stop.
Don't touch me!
Then stop walking up on me.
I'm not! I'm trying to get to him for the phone! I will get it. Calm down.
Do not want to have to arrest you too, but stop walking up on us, okay?
Did we get the phone or not? Why? How am I supposed to call the attorney?
It's gonna go in his property.
How am I supposed to call the attorney?
He'll be able to call.
I'm calling y'all's captain.
Okay, go ahead. He knows we're out here.
Where are y'all taking him to?
Wait, hold on. Hold on.
Oh boy. Shot turn at 268 Lehigh Circle. Caller said their neighbors are shooting his gun and there's nowhere he can do it safely. They're coming towards her home. The address is the caller's address. She's unsure what his address is.
Yeah, just let me call it in real quick and confirm it. 56, check one.
Go ahead.
We're out at the Circle K out here at Airport and Sunshine. It's going to be the last of Cowger, C-O-W-G-E-R, first of N. Don't hit my unit. I dare to hit my unit. We in the back. You too. New dispatchers.
What are they doing?
I said new dispatchers.
Oh.
Hey, buddy, these are so tight, my wrists are hurting. I understand that, but why are you being so mean? I didn't do anything. You never even said anything. What this is all regarding.
I told you were under arrest. And then as soon as it was safe for me to do so,
do you want to yank me out because you?
I will if I have to. Yeah, 100%.
I'm being compliant. What are you being so mean about?
You haven't been compliant to me so far.
I didn't do nothing.
Step out of the car.
I'm stepping out. I'm fat and I'm trying
That's not my problem whatsoever.
There's no need to yank on me. I'm being fat and I'm trying.
That's not my problem whatsoever.
I see you got gloves.
There's no need to yank on me. I'm being compliant.
I'm going to control my prisoners just like I would anybody else.
Okay, well you never said what. All you said was you have a warrant.
Yes, sir. That's all I'm obligated to say.
You don't even have a phone in your pocket.
No, she didn't know that.
No.
All you guys done was yanked on me.
Yeah, we usually do that with felons.
Felons, I didn't do anything wrong.
You have a felony charge right now.
For what?
Domestic battery second.
On what?
Nothing changed. Some pockets, that's all that's right.
Alright, go ahead and have a seat again, gentlemen.
Could you loosen those just a tad bit? You didn't have to be so rough. I'm being compliant.
You don't dictate my use of force, okay? I do that.
I understand that, but you just
All right,
grabbed me,
that's
shoved
safe.
me, and everything like that.
That's generally what I do on felony warrant services.
Well, you never said what it's about.
Okay, well, generally, I don't like you to get an idea of what it's about until you're in custody.
Shit, hold on. I'm getting in. Just hold on. Let me move it.
All my time.
Compliant.
I'm going to control my prisoner just like I would anybody else.
Okay, well, you never said what. All you said was you have a warrant.
Yes, sir.
And
That's
that's
all I'm
it.
obligated to say.
No, she didn't know that. All you guys done was yanked on me.
We usually do that with felony.
156, are you secure?
Felons, I didn't do anything wrong.
Yes,
I have a felony charge right now.
For what?
Domestic battery second.
On what?
Stand by.
Could you loosen those just a tad bit? You didn't have to be so rough. I'm being compliant.
You don't dictate my use of force, okay? I do that.
I understand that, but you just
All
grabbed
right,
me,
thanks.
shoved me, and everything like that.
That's generally what I do on felony warrant services.
Well, you never said what it's about.
Well, generally, I don't like you to get an idea of what it's about until you're in custody.
Ouch! Shit! Hold on. I'm getting in. Just hold on. Let me move at my
All
own
my
pace.
time, not your time. You understand that?
I can understand that.
Good, I'm glad.
I will be requesting your body cam footage.
No, unfortunately, I've been inactivated at this time.
I bet you did, you little bastard. Fucking yanking me in.
CID warrant out of us. 10-4, you can show him in custody. He'll be in 116th unit and he'll be transported into the jail for me. 10-4.
He did not have to be that rough, and then he goes, unfortunately, my body cam isn't on me. Or on. Like, I didn't even know what this was all about. Did you really have to be that rough with me? Like, I was being compliant. I still don't understand what's going on. And then you're not going to talk to me. I just have one question, because I understand the whole force and everything, but am I allowed to have a phone call, or if I'm going to be violently treated just the way I was?
We only get a phone call at the jail, okay?
I can't hear you, buddy.
We only get a phone call at the jail.
Okay, that's all I was wondering. And then he luckily didn't have a body cam on to show him slamming me on the hood. Like, all he had to do is say, put your hands behind your back, you're under arrest. Never been under arrest, but no idea what this is about. Cop shows got it wrong. Cop shows portray y'all being nice, and even talking and everything like that. Thank you for at least loosening the cuffs. I do appreciate that. But everything else was just like not necessary. Will all your name and badge numbers be on the police report? I especially want that skinny dude. That skinny dude was kind of mean. I didn't resist or anything. He just shoved me up against the car. So hope I don't get beat the shit out of just getting to get out of the car.
For myself at 139 out at 123 Bud McKinley Road. Child amended order on a child ex parte.
If it's any constellation or anything, my hand is going numb back here. Is that supposed to happen?
You're already loosened up, okay? They got the space that they need.
Okay.
It's just the way you're sitting, okay? Whenever you get back up, it'll look like
I appreciate you being nice about talking to me about that. I'm just letting you know my hand's going numb. I'm going to try to resituate myself, maybe me pressing back on it.
there's a little room back there in the seat.
Oh, crap. Nope, I'm way too fat for that. Just want to let you know I'll go willing. There's no sense in, like, getting your beat stick out. I don't know what you're doing. But I promise you I'll go willing.
7, I'm in the area.
Just get the seatbelt off of me. I'll go willing. There's no sense in beating me.
I'm not gonna beat you.
Well, the other guy was very rough, and you can't say he wasn't.
He's rough for a reason. Put you in a custody.
Well,
It wasn't excessive. It wasn't none of that. You could say all you want.
do you mind?